And welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, with the national championship a month away, multiple Olympic and world champion Fraser-Pryce is excited for the season ahead and backs herself to deliver. Fraser-Pryce spoke to TVJ Sports on Sunday at the renaming of a road in her honor.
Five-time 100-meter world champion Fraser-Pryce is looking forward to competing this season.
Because I believe that this season will be one of my greatest seasons yet, and I'm grateful for all the, just the opportunities that I'll get to race and the competition, and looking forward to celebrating this year in fine style.
Among the calendar of events will be the national championship, which will be used to select a team to the World Championships in Tokyo in September.
As an athlete, I know my body, I know how I feel, I know what I'm looking forward to, and I'm excited for where I'm at, and I'm looking forward to where I'm going.
Meanwhile, Fraser-Pryce was feted on Sunday by the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation with the renaming of Ashoka Road in Waterhouse in her honor.
And to be able to stand on this street, the same street that I ran up and down on, the same street that the community members cheered me on, the same streets, that my family grew up on, to be able to rename the Shelly and Fraser-Pryce is a huge honor, and I am so grateful. I'm filled with a lot of gratitude and humility just for what took place today. And, as I said, as always, I wouldn't have been the person I am without the community, so I'm grateful.
She used to be friends with my two daughters, and I'm telling you, she would come to the house and they would run up and down. When it's time for running, oh my, she would run like it is going out of style. And I'm so happy for her that she has come this far.
Feel good to know that yes, she's born on the road, come near my far. Come on, good things in our Waterhouse.
She look out for the people of Waterhouse, not only on Ashoka Road. Man, when she have her treat, it is something, and I know that she give personal help to people. We are very proud of Shelly.
In the meantime, on Monday, the KSAMC corrected the error in the spelling of the sprinter's surname on the newly erected signs. When the signs were unveiled on Sunday, it was discovered that her surname was incorrectly spelled.
Manufacturers of the sign made an error in the spelling of her last name. It only got that upon unveiling the sign.
The honor for Fraser-Pryce is in recognition of her achievements in track and field and her contribution to Waterhouse and the wider Jamaica. Fraser-Pryce is the only athlete, male or female, to win 5 100 meters world titles. The national championship is set for June 26 to 29 at the National Stadium. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.